My name is Bengisu Cagiltay, and I'm a third-year PhD student at the University of Wisconsin-Madison People and Robots Lab. I'm honored to be a part of the Doctoral Consortium this year at CHI, and the research that I'm going to talk about today focuses on designing for in-home, long-term family-robot interactions with a specific focus on family preferences, connection making, and privacy. The motivation of my research is to design social robot interactions that can facilitate social and intellectual development of children and connections with their families as a whole. I do this so by taking a family-centered approach where I explore families' design preferences through participatory design sessions. I'll first talk about my prior work, where I conducted participatory design sessions exploring families' perceptions and design preferences for an in-home social robot. There were 3 key insights that related to the robot's role, families' preferences in group interactions, and privacy concerns that motivate the proposed work for my research. Details of these findings are available in my extended abstract, but I like to note that these key findings served as an invaluable guideline for my future work and helped shape the focus of my doctoral research. Inspired by our findings, my next set of work focused on designing reading companion robots for children. We deployed a social robot in 16 families' homes for a month. In this deployment, children formed interactions with the robot as they read aloud informal science books to the robot on their daily schedule. In our findings, we identified external and motivational factors that impacted children's long-term engagement with the robot. Through a video analysis, we also found that child-robot interactions go beyond the child, and spontaneous and enriching family interactions were formed around the robot. My work so far explored child-robot interactions that mainly focused on the robot's role as a reading companion. We learned that long-term interactions at home goes beyond the child, and it should include family members as well. Inspired by our findings from our prior work, I'd like to take a family-centered approach to child-robot interactions and explore family-robot interactions in the context of a robot that acts as a confidant or in another context as a playmate. Overall, my work helps us better understand how to design an in-home social robot for long-term interactions that accommodates preferences of multiple family members. Thank you for watching, and more details can be found in my extended abstract.